Hello everybody. So at the moment a lot of cars aren't being driven as they should be, and a lot of cars are just parked up in the driveways, not moving everywhere, and particularly with diesel engines it's causing a lot of problems, and we're getting quite a few cars in, customers complaining of particularly management light coming on, and to find out what the issue is. And one of the problems that we've got is DPF, Diesel Particulate Filters. So all diesel cars have got these on them. This is to make the environment, the gas emissions going out, a lot cleaner. However, one of the most important things that has to happen is when the cars are running, all the soot going through the exhaust must get really red hot to burn all the carbon off. And what's happening is a lot of people aren't doing a lot of miles, they're tootling about locally, or they just think they can just, you know, every week or every few days just go around the block, keep the engine warm, keep the brakes free, which is great. However, because the engine isn't getting fully hot and burning through, the filter is starting to get clogged and blocked up, which can be absolutely horrendous, because once that filter is blocked, you can get it cleaned through if it hasn't gone too bad. However, ultimately it will cause more problems in the future. And if it gets fully blocked, it's got to be replaced, which is a very, very expensive job. So we urge you, if you do have a diesel, don't just keep popping it around the block, just keep it warmed up. Take it for that run out. Make sure that engine gets fully warmed up and heated. And you know, if you're driving, let's say 50 miles an hour, don't go in 6th gear or 5th gear, keep it in lower gear, keep the revs high so the engine gets ultimately hot, the exhaust gases burn straight through, and that'll stop the DPF getting blocked up. It really is very, very important to make sure you do that. The other thing also is the amount of fuel you've got in your tank. Now, a lot of these cars regenerate when you're driving along, so if you're parked in traffic, it'll regenerate the emissions through. However, if you've got less than probably quarter tank of fuel, the car won't regenerate. So always make sure there's plenty of fuel in your car as well. We have additives that we put in there for fuel additives and things like that. Keep your car serviced and maintained so the engine oil is good and clean. All these will avoid long-term issues with the DPF, because if DPF goes, it's going to cost you a lot of money. Any advice, any help you want, please just give us a call. 01782 834 215, Harris Motor Company, here to help you service, tyres, MOTs. See you all soon, keep safe.